Hi and hello everyone, this is Marius from The Consultants. Today we have something we think will be really useful for a lot of people who have to work with PowerPoint. We've created a PowerPoint master that will allow you to easily find the right slide for every business related presentation. To use it, just download the slides by following the link in the description. It's absolutely free. And the best thing is, this master can become your PowerPoint library, which you can use when you need a certain type of slide, or use the structure of the master to start a new presentation. Since it's already in the order to start with, that's also possible. Another thing we also thought about is how you guys can benefit the most of these slides, and therefore we've included chapter slides, which kind of introduce the different types of slides and explain in 1 or 2 sentences what to use them for. Let's take a quick look at an example so you'll know what I'm talking about. Here's the intro slide for components, for example. And you always have a short description. So here it says you might use these kind of slides if you want to point out different components of a certain topic. And if you need more details, you can use bullet points. Alright, and after a very brief introduction on the chapter slide, you'll find the slides which you can just copy and paste and easily adapt into your PowerPoint master. Last but not least, another thing I want to mention is that we're going to upload short videos on how to use different types of slides. In these videos, we will show you in detail how you can integrate and adapt our slides into your presentation and into your master. Alright, so let's just take a brief look at the different types of slides which are included in the master so you know what to expect. Naturally, the master starts with title slides. We've already talked about this in the basic video, so check it out if you don't know what a title slide is and what to do with it. And here we have 2 different versions, one rather old school for more conservative settings, I would say, and the other one is a bit more creative, and obviously you can change the picture here and fit it into your needs. Alright, so the next kind of slides are introductions. With these you can tell your audience why your presentation is important to them and what you want to accomplish. So these slides typically consist of a short description of your current situation, the status quo, and also your goal. Again, you'll have different versions. The next thing are agenda slides. Again, check out the basic video if you don't know what an agenda is. And then we have components, which you already know, and we've included a lot of them since you see those kind of slides very often. Then we have relationships. You can use these kinds of slides to show how aspects relate to each other. A typical example would be pressure from 2 different areas which influence a decision. Alright, another thing we've added are matrices, which are really useful if you want to classify your ideas or products into a 2-dimensional system or matrix. Another type of slide which we as consultants use very often are roadmaps. That's why we've included a couple into the master as well. And obviously we've also included tables. Again, different versions here, from simple tables like this one to a bit more advanced like that one. Alright, the next slides are Gantt charts. Very useful if you're a project manager and want to show the current state of your project or the plan for the following weeks. And also you'll find some pyramids, always useful if a topic has different layers you want to present. Finally, we've added some designs for status reports. If you want to know what to include into your status report and what's important, please check out a video on the status reports. Last but not least, you'll find some slides which we find very useful, like this one here. We use this kind of slide a lot if we have just text. So you just change the picture according to your content and it immediately looks more professional than the slide with only text. Okay, that's it already for today. Make sure you download the slides in the link below. They're absolutely free. Also, if you have any questions on how to use some of the slides, just drop a question in the comments below. And like always, we would really appreciate you leaving us a like and subscription, and do not forget to hit the bell to stay tuned for new content. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.